Okay, whenever you're ready, Landon.
Yep, just put your cheek right there and look straight down that barrel, and all you want to do is see this, and then that bead right there on the bottom, right there on the center target, the center spot on that target, okay?
You just got to do a nice solid squeeze.
Don't worry about it, it won't kick you hard at all. Cool.
Nice job,
buddy.
dude.
Yeah.
That was awesome. How was it?
Actually, not that bad.
Not too bad?
Yeah.
All right.
Way to go, buddy.
Hossik's turn. Come on, buddy.
Hossik's turn. Come on, buddy. Come on.
It wasn't bad. Go tell him how
Yeah,
it wasn't
It
bad.
actually kind of kicked a little bit. But
Don't tell him that. Go tell him it barely kicks at all.
Yeah.
Go tell him.
Yeah.
All right, let's check the target.
Wow.
Oh, dude, you
Good
smoked
job,
that
Landon.
turkey, dude. If that
Good
was a
job.
turkey,
That's a dead turkey,
he would
man.
be
Look
smoked.
at that.
Crushed him.
You crushed him.
Look at all those pellets. Nice.
Your turn.
Your
Yeah.
turn, Haas.
Yeah.
Your turn, Haas. Come on, buddy.
Let's do it. Yeah, it's going to be the
Do I,
front trigger.
just safe
Yep, safety.
Yep.
that?
Yep. And then the front trigger,
Yep.
and you are good to go.
Oh, you got her. You took off his head. You took turkey's head right off. Okay.
What you doing there, buddy? Pretend. Pretend. There you go. All right, Lana, what are we doing today?
Turkey hunting.
Doing what?
Turkey hunting.
Turkey hunting. First day turkey hunting by yourself? All right. What do you think? Nice and cold out there? What is it, 20 degrees, maybe 15 degrees? Yesterday was the first day, but it was 40-mile-per-hour wind, so we didn't go. Did our chest terminal, so today, first day. What do you think? Are you excited? It's gonna be fun, I think. Turkey should be gobbling. All right, let's load up the truck and we'll head out. All right, quick gear check. Decoys, chairs, earmuffs, cart, blind, tripod, vest, snacks. I think we got it all. Gun, ammo, license, cameras. I think we're good. Now it's just a race to see who gets to the spots first, I think. I don't know how many youths are going to be there, but it's basically open season, and I'm sure nobody went yesterday, so here we go. Hold on. Okay, slide that up in there.
Where's your keys?
All right, here we go. First time turkey hunting. What do you think?
Give me 5, buddy. Give me 5. All right. You can do it.
Perfect day for it. We're gonna hear gobbles for miles today. All right, we're gonna head to the woods. Hope for the best. All right, we got our first turkey. Goblin, what do you think? He's just about 300 or 400 yards into the woods there. Look at the sunrise. Look at that. So we're gonna set up, see if you can call him towards us. Hold that. Landon, day one. Give us an update.
Okay, so we set up the decoys, and now we're just waiting for a goblin.
Have we heard anything today?
A few.
One kind of close a while ago. What are you drinking?
Hot chocolate.
It's kind of chilly, huh? Can you see your breath?
Mm-hmm.
It's like 20, 23 degrees or something. It's pretty cold. But we'll stick it out for a little longer and then we'll try something else. Well, another quick update. Give us an update, Landon.
We left our hunting spot. Now we're headed back to the truck, and we found a shed.
Go check it out. Look at that.
Looks like a squirrel's been chewing on.
Been there a while, huh?
Mhm.
Cool. How about that? Pretty awesome. Alright, I'll let you carry that. And we're just about out of here. We're about up to the spot where I almost got my turkey last year, but haven't seen or heard anything since dark this morning. So they were gobbling, but they kind of went away from us. Kind of used to that. Sorry about the backlighting. But give it another shot here. Find another spot to set up. And try next weekend. Alright, well, Eric, it's Friday night. Tomorrow is the start of the last weekend. It's supposed to rain all day tomorrow, so we're out here trying to roost a bird to see if we can find something to set up on. And we've got geese clanking and owls and all kinds of things going crazy, but we've got some turkeys, but they're a little ways off. What do you think? You wanna hold this for a second? I'll do an owl call and see if we can get one to gobble. Alright, ready? Show yourself too. Right there. Alright, Landon, day 2. What do you think? Are we gonna find some turkeys?
Yeah.
Yeah, probably. We know where they're at now. Now we just gotta get close and get them to come towards us, huh?
Mm-hmm.
And the rain's coming, so let's go. What do you think, Landon? We got a bunch of gobblers around us. We gonna get anything? Oh, they're gobbling everywhere. was pretty cool. I guess the blind works. Oh, we need some time to do that. All right, well, we officially got rained out. We had one hen come in to the decoys. You probably see that in the video, but lots of gobbling, but nothing came in, so I'm gonna head out of here, go dry off, and try again tomorrow. Bandu. All right, last day of turkey season, 2022. What do you think, Landon?
It would be fun.
It's gonna be fun?
Mm-hmm.
That's for sure. All right, well, we're all packed up. It's another perfectly calm morning, except today, no rain. So, I'm gonna head down the trail, see what we can hear. What you got there, Landon?
Cookies from my grandma.
Grandma's cookies? I don't think you have enough. Jeez. Are you gonna eat all those? Can I have one? Maybe? No. Okay. Okay. So the last day and we're all set up here. Do we have any turkeys around us? Landon?
Yes.
Where are the turkeys at? Point to them.
One's over there, one's over here. I saw clear from that direction.
We're kind of surrounded by turkeys, so it's just a matter of time now. Nothing close, but turkeys in all directions. Lots of gobbling this morning. Well, we set up this morning right where last year I had a couple of turkeys come in and stayed just out of range out into the decoys, and nothing came in. We waited, gave it 4 hours, and just as we packed up, started walking back to the truck 100 yards behind us, there were about 7 turkeys that had been there for a while but weren't talking, so spooked them away. Moved to another spot where my brother shot one a couple of years ago, and nothing. So that wraps up our attempt at the youth season. But we had fun, and we'll probably try it again next year. All right, Landon, what is today?
Opening day of turkey season.
Opening day of turkey season. So we're gonna try it again this year. We had bad luck with the weather last year, so we hoped we'd get some better weather to try it again this year. How's it looking so far?
Good.
Yeah, good? Well, different, huh? We woke up to 10 inches of snow at home, but looks like a little less here. Maybe it's only 3 or 4 inches here, so we're still gonna try it. We just saw a turkey driving down the road, so we're gonna set up here, see if we can see something for the last couple hours of the day. Well, that was a bust, but you only get 4 days for youth season, so we figured we'd come out and give it a shot anyways. You don't get to pick the weather, so you take what you can get. Tomorrow's another day. Here we go. 50 yards right now. He's already nervous. He's just out of range too. I know. About 50 yards. Yeah. Wait till he gets into the woods. We need to talk to him. Okay, try it. What just happened, Landon?
I just had a big dog just go through.
How close?
50 yards.
50 yards. We needed him to be just a little bit closer, and he was toast. Of course, he skirts the decoys, just barely out of range. That was cool, though. He's a nice old Tom. Maybe if we sit here a while, we'll get lucky and something else will come by. So close.
So I'm pretty sure where we left off was when we saw the turkey in front of us that didn't go towards the decoys. He just went just straight across to the field. So we walked like a mile.
Yeah.
And then we set up in this cornfield. It still has like some corn cobs and food for them to eat. So
we had a close call. We had a close call this morning, and just didn't come close enough. And then we didn't see anything the rest of the day other than some trespassers that came and probably scared all the turkeys away. So try it again next weekend. It's last weekend. Hopefully we'll have better weather, huh? All right. See you next weekend. All right. It's the last day. You hear any gobbles?
There.
Lots of them, huh? They're gobbling everywhere. Gotta pick where we set up. Let's go up there where we were last time, okay? There's some right here, and there's one I heard just over past where we were last time. Okay, well, it's the last day, and we got here in the dark, and we had gobbles all around, and I think we might have spooked a couple that were pretty close, and nothing really came our direction. So we have some water between us and all the turkeys. So we sat here for a couple hours. Now we're going to pack up and we're going to move somewhere better. What do you say?
Okay.
Move to where the turkeys actually are. What do you think? It's a nice day though. Finally, this is our first nice day in 2 years of turkey hunting. So we gotta make the most of this. It's sort of calm and cold, but not really cold. Pretty nice. So let's pack up our blind. Move on to a new area. Ready? Okay. All right, we are marching down to our last setup of the season, down to the end of the field. Seen some here in the past, so hopefully we'll be able to weed them out and they'll pop into the field here. Perfect day though, nice and quiet, nice and cool. Well, that is the end of turkey season 2023. We failed again, but at least we had fun, right? We saw one, we heard some. No action today, but we'll try again next year. What do you think? You want to try again next year?
Yeah.
All right, we'll try again next year.